Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix Spotify enhance button not showing problem. Before moving on to the video, you can support me by liking the video and deliver this video to people who are looking for this video like you. Let's start. First we need to check if our Spotify is up to date. For this, we open the Play Store and if our Spotify has an update, we make this update. We updated our app, now we need to open our app. After our application is opened, we click on the settings icon in the upper right. Then we scroll down to the bottom and log out of our account. Spotify doesn't allow me to record the login screen so I can't show it, but we log out of our account and log back in. After logging into our account, we click on our playlist. As you can see, the enhance button is active. Now we can press it and activate this feature. The songs have been added to our list. We can press the enhance button again to extract these songs. As you can see, we have removed the songs we added. This was our first solution. If this solution did not solve your problem, we will move on to our second solution. Our second solution is to delete and reinstall Spotify. Sometimes a fresh install can fix such errors. After uninstalling Spotify, we enter the Play Store and download our application. Our app has been downloaded. Now we open our application and write our login information and log into our account. After logging into our account, we click on our playlist. As you can see, the enhance button is available. Now we can press it and activate this feature. The songs have been added to our list. We can press the enhance button again to extract these songs. As you can see, we have removed the songs we added. This was our second solution. If this solution did not solve your problem, we will move on to our third solution. Our third solution will be to install the old version of Spotify. The reason we do this is because Spotify's update caused a problem on our device. We will try to solve this issue by downloading a different version that includes the enhance update. We need to delete Spotify on our device before downloading the old version. We have removed Spotify. Now you need to download the old version from the link I put in the description section. In this section, if you have never downloaded APK before, you may encounter an error. To be able to download the APK, go to your device's settings and give the Install Unknown Apps permission to Chrome. When starting to download the APK, it gives a warning that the file may be harmful. Don't worry, this file will not harm our device. To see the download status of our application, we click on the three vertical dots in the upper right and enter Downloads. As you can see here, I downloaded this file before and checked if there is a problem. Our app has been downloaded. Now we click and we install it. The installation is complete. Now we click Open and enter our application. After doing that, we can enter our playlist and use the enhance button. As you can see, the songs have been added to our list. Now we can add and remove the songs we have added with the enhance feature to our playlist. We have come to the end of our video. I hope this video useful for you. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care and see you in the next video.